Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to secure WhatsApp from hackers. Friends, it's always better to take precautions while using WhatsApp to keep your WhatsApp secure. Like sometimes we receive some links from unknown numbers. So it will be better to avoid opening those unknown links received from unknown contacts. Likewise, make a regular practice to check your linked devices. To do so, you need to press on this three dots. Here, press on link devices. Here, check your linked devices. Like in my case, it is showing one Google Chrome Windows. This is my computer. So, like this, you can see all your linked devices, and if you find any unknown device linked to your WhatsApp, then you simply need to delete that device. To do so, you need to press on the device name, and here you need to press on log out. Then you will be simply logged out from that device. So like these steps, you can also start two-step verification on your WhatsApp that will protect your WhatsApp, that will give additional security to your WhatsApp. To do so, you need to press on these three dots and here press on settings. Now here press on accounts. In accounts, you need to press on two-step verification. Now turn on two-step verification. Now here you need to give a 6-digit PIN which will be needed each time when you install WhatsApp on a new device. So friends, by following these simple steps, you can very easily secure your WhatsApp from any misuse. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.